Okay, imagine this. Two investors each put 20 grand into the same index, same timeline, same market, same everything, but one walks away with thousands more after taxes. Again, same index, so how is that possible? Well, one of them just bought a basic index fund the way most of us do. The other used something called direct indexing, where you buy the individual stocks inside of that index instead of one single fund. On paper, their portfolios look almost identical, but the second investor now has way more control, way more opportunities for tax loss harvesting, and potentially a lot more money left in their pocket at the end of the day. Now, this used to be the kind of strategy that was basically reserved for multimillionaires with expensive wealth managers. But today I want to show you how a platform called Frec is taking that same tax-aware approach and making it accessible to everyday investors like you and me. Now, before we get started, I do want to be clear, this video is sponsored by Frec, a tax-aware investing platform built around this idea of direct indexing. But as always, they're sponsoring the video and not my opinions. I only share products that I've personally vetted, and my goal here is just to explain what Frec does, who it's best for, and where it fits next to tools that you might already be using. So if at any point in the video you do want to learn more about Frec and help support this free content, then be sure to check out that first link down in the description, where you can get $250 when you sign up and fund a direct index with Frec. So like I said, most of us start with regular indexing, meaning we buy an index fund or ETF, one ticker symbol like VOO, which is just Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. And inside of that is a whole basket of stocks that, in that case, tracks the S&P 500 or the total US stock market. It's simple, it's cheap, and historically, it can work. You absolutely can build wealth that way. The trade-off is that everything is wrapped up inside that one fund, so you don't really get to see or act on what's happening with the individual stocks inside. Enter direct indexing, which takes that same idea and flips the structure. Instead of owning one fund, you own the individual stocks that make up the index directly in your account. Where your money is actually being invested is nearly identical, but now you can make decisions at the stock level, especially around taxes. And this is where things start to get really interesting, so stick with me here. Let's go back to a super simple example. We've got an index with just 3 stocks. Stock A is up 40%, stock B is down 10%, and stock C is down 15%. If you own the regular index fund that holds all 3, those get blended together. If the fund is up overall, you're hopefully happy, but from a tax perspective, you're not really doing anything special. With direct indexing, you still get that same overall exposure, but because you own A, B, and C individually, you can sell B and C at a loss and harvest those losses for tax purposes, offsetting what you owe in profits from stock A. Then you can buy similar replacement stocks, so your portfolio still behaves like that same index. Again, same market exposure, more granular control over tax loss harvesting, and more room to customize around your life and your existing holdings. And that's the core idea behind direct indexing. And if you're anything like me, you're probably saying at this point, cool, but that sounds super complicated and time-consuming to manage. So as you can probably guess, Frec's whole thing is taking that structure, which used to be reserved for high net worth clients with fancy advisors, and making it something that normal self-directed investors like you and I can actually use. So the next question is, of course, who is this actually built for? Because I'll tell you right now, if you're just looking to buy your first fractional share or open a basic IRA, then this is not the platform for you. Frec is really for DIY investors who already like low-cost index investing, but also care about squeezing more out of their tax strategy and having a bit more control than buy one ETF and never think about it again. So if, like me, you love the idea of set it and forget it investing, but you also find yourself optimizing credit card points, hunting for better savings accounts, or tweaking your allocations every so often, then you're probably the kind of person who can actually benefit from something like direct indexing. So for most of you watching this video, the classic Frec direct indexing account is probably where you should start. The more advanced tools, which we will also get to, like Frec Diversify for concentrated stock to long-short strategies, and the Porfolio line of credit are things you might grow into as your portfolio and your overall situation gets more complex, not features that you have to use on day one, especially if this whole direct indexing thing is new to you. So with that in mind, let's start with the main dish, Frec's classic direct indexing account. At a high level, Frec Classic Direct Indexing is basically the tax-savvy index fund version of this whole idea. You still get that broad, diversified index exposure, you're just doing it in a way that's more tax-aware and more customizable. You'll start by choosing an index that you want to track. That might be something like the total US stock market, the S&P 500, or a specific slice of large cap, small cap, or even a certain sector. Instead of Frec just buying one ETF for you that tracks that index, which is exactly what most robo-advisors do, they buy the individual stocks that make up that index directly in your account. Then they manage that basket on your behalf by monitoring those individual positions, looking for opportunities to harvest losses when certain stocks are down, swapping in similar replacements so overall exposure still behaves like the index that you picked, and handling all the messy stuff like wash sale rules and trade execution so you don't have to babysit anything. So from the end user experience, it still feels like regular passive index investing, but compared to just buying a single ETF, you get a couple of big potential advantages. First of all, as we've discussed, more opportunities for tax loss harvesting. Because you own the underlying stocks, the system can act on individual losers faster. Second, you get more customization. You can exclude specific companies or industries that you don't want to own, tilt toward or away from sectors depending on what else you have going on in your life, adjust around things like employer stock or options so you're not accidentally over-concentrated. So here's a super oversimplified example to show you the benefit. Let's say you invest $100,000 and leave it alone for 20 years. Well, if you stick it in a basic index fund, you're relying purely on market returns minus the fund's fees and whatever taxes you owe along the way. In a direct indexing setup like Frec Classic Direct Indexing, your market exposure would look very similar over that same 20-year period. But along the way, the strategy could be harvesting losses in down years, banking those tax benefits, and potentially letting more of your money stay invested instead of being peeled off for taxes every time you realize gains. Now, I'll admit it's hard to pin down exact numbers just because markets and tax situations vary, but just to frame it, at a baseline 8% annual return, that $100,000 grows to a little over $466,000 after 20 years. But if a direct indexing approach were able to boost your after-tax return by even 1% per year, purely from tax efficiency, that bumps your effective annual return to more like 8.5% to 9%. And that means you're now looking at something more in the ballpark of $560,000 over that same time period with the same starting amounts and very similar market exposure. And as you can imagine, once you add regular recurring investments on top of that, the difference can grow even more over time. Now, to be clear, we're not talking about magic guaranteed results. Markets are still markets, but over a decades-long investing lifetime, those incremental tax savings can compound into a meaningful difference in what you actually keep, especially as your portfolio grows. So again, for a lot of viewers, this classic direct indexing account is going to be the main way you'd use Frec, which is why we're spending the most time here before we touch the more advanced tools. Now, if your situation is a little more spicy than a normal index portfolio, like a huge chunk of your net worth is tied up in one stock, then that's where Frec Diversify comes in. The most common situations I can think of here would be either company stock that you've accrued from your employer or just a position that's grown way bigger than you're comfortable with. You know, in those situations, you should diversify, but selling it all at once could mean a brutal tax bill. Well, enter Frec Diversify. You bring that concentrated stock position over to Frec, and they build a diversified portfolio around it to reduce your risk on day one, gradually sell down that concentrated position over time, and use tax loss harvesting in the rest of your portfolio to help offset the gains from selling that big position. In the end result, you move from way too much in one stock to a more diversified index exposure in a tax-aware and systematic way without you having to manually plan every single trade or hire some expensive wealth advisor. Again, not a tool for most of you, but in specific situations, it can be very useful. Now, lastly, for my true advanced nerds in the room, Frec also offers long-short direct indexing. In plain English, this lets you build around an index using both long positions, stocks you own, and short positions, stocks you're betting against, instead of just owning everything on the long side. For starters, you'll choose a tilt to express a market view. Long and short extensions tilt a portfolio and create more positions to generate losses from, even when the market is up. And as a result, this creates even more opportunities for tax loss harvesting over time. Because you have both both longs and shorts in the mix, there's more ways for positions to generate realized losses that can potentially be used to offset gains elsewhere in your portfolio, even in markets that are generally going up. That being said, this is absolutely an advanced strategy. It obviously comes with more complexity, more moving parts, and is really designed for investors who already understand factor tilts, leverage, and are comfortable taking on extra risk in exchange for the potential of higher after-tax returns. And if that description makes your eyes glaze over, then that's probably a sign that you can ignore this for now. You can still get almost all of the value from Frec just using the classic direct indexing, and if needed, Frec Diversify, and then grow into long-short later if or when your strategy calls for it. I will also mention here that Frec does offer portfolio lines of credit, so instead of selling investments and potentially triggering taxes every time you need cash, you can borrow against your portfolio at some of the lowest APR borrowing rates that you'll find in this space. That can make it a really compelling way to access short-term liquidity without blowing up your tax plan or immediately realizing gains. That being said, I want to be clear here, debt is still debt, and borrowing on margin can come with significant risk. I'm personally not a huge fan of borrowing just to invest more, and this is not a tool that I'd recommend for beginner investors. But if you're in a situation where you genuinely need liquidity and you're trying to avoid a big taxable sale, then having a low-rate portfolio line of credit available in the same platform can be a nice option to have in your pocket. So at this point, you might be wondering, okay, how does all of this compare to just using a robo-advisor like Wealthfront and calling it a day? Well, as a longtime user of many different robo-advisor tools, I'll be the first to admit that they are awesome if you want to maximize simplicity. You answer a few questions, they build a diversified ETF portfolio, and you basically never think about it again. With Frec, you're still not stock picking, but you are choosing things like which specific index you want to track, how much customization you want, including exclusions and adjustments, and of course, those more advanced tools like Diversify and Long Short as your situation gets more complex. It's also important to note that Frec is really for everything beyond your regular retirement investing. They don't offer IRAs or other retirement accounts. So the idea here is that you're already maxing out those tax advantage accounts, and then with the extra money that you're investing in taxable accounts, you're trying to make that as tax optimized as possible. To me, the big takeaway is you no longer have to be a multi-millionaire with a private wealth manager to use a more sophisticated tax-aware version of indexing. Frec basically took that playbook and put it in the hands of regular self-directed investors like you and me. So again, if you want to see how Frec's direct indexing can fit into your portfolio while also supporting this free content, then be sure to check out that first link down in the description, where you'll also get $250 when you sign up and fund a direct index with Frec. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.